Hey guys, it's Sunscraper here, back with another episode of Prison. Now that I've been thinking a little bit after this, uh, since this is my third episode of Prison, I haven't actually gone to the C mine. I ranked up to C in the first episode, but I haven't actually went to that place because I was back helping out Pumpkin, um, rank up because she's almost a C too. Um, Today we're going to adventure to C mine and see what we have there. And if they don't have anything good, we're gonna check out the PvP area. See if we can get anything good with the PvP area. So let's do warp A or warp C. Ooh, they've got iron here. That's cool. Wait, I wonder if it sells more or less than wood. Oh, iron is way more than wood. This is a big step in the next direction. I've actually truthfully never been here before, so I'm gonna make definitely a lot more money this way. But I wonder, do I have to smelt it? I think it's that iron ingot for when they're selling it. So, we're gonna check out the PvP area, so I'm gonna grind some of this on this iron and smelt it down, and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so apparently nothing is working. Can't sell iron ore. Even though I'm trying to. You can sell ingots, see, but I don't have any ingots. But you can't access any furnaces. Is the server broken? Did I break the server? I mean, nothing's working. It's starting to freak me out. I really wanted to smelt this iron so I can get some, iron armor. And, that's not working. So, that's where the prison is. There's the shop. Furnace. Okay, so furnaces are over here. But what am I supposed to do, It says all these are, bought. Are there any open ones? Recommended for people in A through E. Okay. I'm in C, so this works. Why can't I? Do I have to have a bare hand? That's not working. What the heck is going on? Do I have to make a furnace? Can I make a furnace? I might have to make my own furnace. First I'm gonna have to go to the shop and grab some food. But if you guys have ever been on this server, please type in the comments what I need to do. Okay, so escape PvP. The shop's over here. I'm starting to not like this update. Then again, the update is still pretty glitchy, so it could just be a glitch in the game. You never know. So I think I'm gonna buy some. Oh, I already have food. But can I sell my cobblestone or iron ore or whatever? Because I couldn't sell my diamonds when I looked last episode. You can sell signs for $100. So flat glass, bricks, cobble foothold, stone foothold, wood foothold, red sand slab, sand foothold, half brick, mossy brick, bookshelf, snow block, obsidian, glowstone, furnace. Wait, is this selling? Yeah, we're selling it. Wait, are you buying a furnace? Oh, do you have to buy a furnace? Yeah, I do have a furnace now, but where do I place it? Do I have to get a plot? Because I have no idea how the frick to get a plot. No. So now I have a furnace. That's cool. Can I teleport to the plots? / warp plot. Okay, so these are the prison plots. So I guess we could do / warp auto, which that'll send me to the closest free plot. What? Should. / warp help. Warps. Okay, so does it say anything about? Okay, but what do I do I just have to find a clear one? Like right here? Does anybody own this? / P claim. This plot has already been claimed. Okay, so apparently not. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to go far. I'll pause the recording and get you guys when I find the next available plot. Okay, so I found a plot that hasn't been used or hasn't been bought yet, but I can't find how much money it is because I tried buying it by / P claim, but it said I don't have enough money. So I'm trying to find how much money it costs. I don't know what to do. How much do these things cost? / P info? That's not helping. Oops. / P help again. We'll try that again. No. / P. I know this is boring for you guys, but I really gotta find out. Please let me know in the comments below what to do because I am so confused. Yeah, I don't know. You guys are gonna have to say in the chat what I can do because I don't know what to do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you dudes next time.